September. I think it's the 15th. Bruno's house is going to get torn down. So let's document it. It's the field. The house is going to go right there. And here's Herbert's, carrier and all his stuff and his lawnmower and his plow. How many times did Bruno and his family enjoy back here? The swing, the seesaws. And here's the house. Here's where that old well was. We never found it until he started to move out. Look at all this ivy. Mamma mia. I think everything in here he's just leaving. And here's the back. This is where the dogs used to be. I think this used to be the dog house, crying out loud. Wood's all rotting. Used to be some fig trees back here, but they're all gone. So it begins. Well, here it is. November 10th they came and they tore down all these trees. Look at that. Remember this, Santa? There's your house. They took down the foliage, most of it. Took the tree out by the roots. Here's another view. I think they're leaving a couple of trees and maybe these two trees there. This is all those planter things that Bruno used to use. And there it is, Anna. Your house. Completely destroyed. Another day has passed. This little piece of wall left up. Foundation's destroyed. They'll be coming here tomorrow. They did another day's work. Ooh, the house is disappearing. Yeah, they've come a long way. The porch is there. And now, digging up the basement. Look at the basement. That was the entranceway. Keeping the metal, putting the metal on the side. I guess they're going to sell it. There's all those things, you know, the planters that Bruno used to use. There's the greenhouse, still standing. The old house. Well, they took two trees down there, 2 pine trees, leaving that big old tree on the curb. And right over here, this leaning tree that's next. And there she is. And that'll be the end of that tree. Here we go. Here we go. And there it is. Say goodbye to the tree. Bill worked hard today. Yeah, he's the crane operator. Now here's all the recyclables. Oh, look at that refrigerator. I think that was a good refrigerator. All this goes to the metal people. They have to separate stuff just like we do. You know, Bruno's gardening supplies and everything, and the greenhouse and all that used to be right here. And here's the old foundation. Well, it's gone now. Got it piled up here. I don't know what they're gonna do with it. To me, I think they should just refill the hole. Well, Bill worked hard today. Look at all the stuff they cleared out. Now Bill says this is where the front of the house is going to be. And it coincides with that stick right over here. See that stick? And then the back of it is supposed to be there. Right there is where the swimming pool is going to go. Leaving these two trees. Coming in for all this metal. All this metal has to be taken. Here's where the house used to be. Should have built it in some way. There you go. He finished taking up the house. Bill is all done with the demolition. Now look at this. Well, there it is. Demolition is all done. They put up what they call the silk to contain any dust and debris. And now they're going to start building. They're going to take the rest of that out and the rest of that out. And there he is. Bill's closing up for today.